The move to push VP Constantino Chiwenga out of employment have been launched, with former Norton MP Themba Mliswa announcing 4 episodes geared to pressure him into alleged accountability. If he fails the test, he must resign, says Mliswa, who is an alleged spokesperson of the Zvikananda Gladstones Group, who are running the country on President Emmerson Mnangagwa's behalf. Sanapenda mashoko abuda panguva ino achiuka VP Constantino Chiwenga voatakiwa vachinzi aiwa asakwanisa kupindura mubvunzo anoda kumubvunza pamusoro pecorruption, he must resign. Ndoti wasubscribe walaika on the bell icon. TV napanapa muna muzimba emabudanyuka muchinzi. Speaking in his Sunday program on SimI, Sabuk Mliswa said the nation must brace for 4 episodes that require Chiwenga to respond if he is clean. The development comes as other critics like Rina Mjati opposed Mliswa, accusing him of corruption he talks about. Mliswa has been a campaigner for ZANU-PF dictator Emmerson Mnangagwa for 9 years since 2016, when him, Chiwenga, and the activist Blessed Gesa began rooting for Mnangagwa to take over the presidency in a violent military coup in 2017. They continued to support Mnangagwa in the second military coup, which was the violent overthrow of Nelson Chamisa in 2018, when on 1 August 2018. They worked together even during the violent 2023 elections, of which SADC condemned Mnangagwa's win. The three did not say anything when the world's most authoritative parliamentary institution, the IPU Parliament, denounced Mnangagwa's fake opposition Singizwa Chabangu, calling him an imposter, was later caught on camera by Simba Chikanza at Crown Plaza Hotel, Harare on 4 December 2023. They have, however, just recently parted political ways after Mnangagwa began to change the constitution for ZANU-PF so to extend his presidency to 2030. VP Chiwenga did not respond to the allegations raised by Mliswa. Ndomashwa arikubuda panguva ino Themba Mliswa obuda panguva ino achiclaima VP Constantino Chiwenga pama corruption charges, achiti Chiwenga afana kuresponda to these charges, akangotadza akufanira kuresigna. Mashoko ari kunzi matax ari kuuya panapa kuna VP Constantino Chiwenga zviri kunzi vana Mliswa vakabhadharwa kuti vauye vachiexposa VP Constantino Chiwenga. Noda kuti Chiwenga panguva ino ndiye ari kuonekwa kunzi ari against corruption iri kuitwa nezvigananda. Pinda kumesection medu dzemafungiro enyu mutikudipa pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Musakangana kusubscribe, like pamwe chete nokutena on the bell icon.